Stop using flat elements and making your designs as lame as ever. Canva just released an update on their Elements tool, and this literally changes everything. If you're new here, hi and welcome to Easy Canva Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to level up your Canva workflow using a simple but powerful method that gives you more control over your 3D elements. And if you stay until the end, I'll also share how to access our totally free Canva crash course so you can keep learning more after this. First, head over to your Canva account, click Create, and choose any canvas size you need. Once your blank canvas loads, go to Elements on the left panel and scroll down until you see the 3D category. Inside, you will find different sections such as icons and stickers, characters and emojis, food and lifestyle, creative abstract, animals and nature, work and education, and seasonal events. Most people stop here and simply drag whatever looks good onto their canvas. That works, and it is easy, fast, and helps you build clean designs quickly. But here is where you can take your work to the next level. Instead of scrolling endlessly, try using the search bar whenever you need something specific. For example, a camera. Type your keyword, press enter, and you will instantly get a more focused selection of 3D elements. Choose the one you like and add it to your canvas. Now here is the part most people do not take advantage of. Once the element appears, wait until you see the rotation controller icon. Click and hold it, then rotate the element to any position you want. This gives your design more movement, more depth, and a more intentional layout that feels professional instead of flat. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other people who want to learn Canva in the easiest way. And as promised, if you want to access our totally free Canva crash course, just check out the pinned comment down below. And that's it. You have learned how to open your canvas, explore the 3D section, search for specific 3D elements, and elevate your layout by rotating your elements for more dynamic results. Don't forget to join our free tutorial on how to sell Canva templates online, where we'll teach you the exact steps to create your own templates, set up a free online store, and market your designs effectively so you can start generating sales. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.